Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 104. Moon in 11th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. In Vedic Astrology, in which house your Lagna Rashi is placed and in which house Moon Rashi is placed. Both are important to decide the course of events in your life. It will be easy, full of comforts, or you have to face obstacles in life. Depends a lot on these placements. Moon in 11th house is one of the very important placements. A well placed moon in 11th house brings miraculous turns in the life of the native. Before discussing in detail what you can achieve with moon in 11th house, let us first revise in brief the significance of 11th house and moon. Moon represents mother, mind, emotions, imagination, tourism, foreign travel, white objects, water, liquids, silver. 11th house, known as Labhav, is seen for all types of profits and gains we receive in our lifetime. What outcome we will get for our actions performed in 10th house is also decided in 11th house. This house is seen for our ambitions, desires, and most important, fulfillment of desires. It is about fame, respect, and awards we receive in lifetime. 11th house signifies elder siblings, social and professional networks, neighborhood, colleagues, friends. It indicates the support we receive from social networks, colleagues, friends, relatives to achieve success, growth, and fulfill our aspirations. Since it is about our exposure in society, 11th house represents a social image, the standard of living we maintain in society. 11th house, along with planets influencing it, decide how much success, growth, wealth, comforts, fame, respect we receive in our lifetime. A well placed moon in 11th house is capable of giving you wonderful dreams come true type results. A well placed moon in 11th house makes the native fortunate, famous, wealthy, creative, artistic, intelligent. Native has attractive personality, soft spoken, helpful, very sensitive nature, popular among friends, relatives, and colleagues. There will be gains through friends, mother, elder siblings, and social networks. Native loves socializing and making new friends. Native has a large social network and loves the company of friends and relatives. Being engaged in social activities of their choice gives them emotional fulfillment and purpose in life. Otherwise, they feel lost and life seems meaningless to them. Person achieves success and earns big profits with the help of friends and social networks. They easily get highly paying jobs or favorable environment to flourish and make huge profits. A well placed moon in 11th house blesses the person with a successful career at an early age. Since moon signifies mind and emotions, therefore in 11th house, emotional well-being and happiness of these people are directly related to gains, regular inflow of money, fulfillment of desires and socially engaging activities of their choice. They become restless and get upset if they don't get the expected results or if their desires remain unfulfilled. In real life scenario, there cannot be bumper gains all the time. It is not necessary that all the events happen according to our plans, and we cannot have a perfect relationship with everyone in our social circle. And all this brings emotional turmoil to these people. So, on one hand, Moon in 11th house blesses them with huge gains and a successful life full of comforts. But this also makes them emotionally vulnerable. Since native believes in maintaining good relations with everyone, friends, colleagues, and relatives, and many times to please others, they have to make compromises and sacrifice their own interests. This may cause stress in their personal life. These people maintain a large social network, so they fail to nurture a close, dependable friendship. Moon is the significator of mother, and 11th house is about gains, wealth creation, fulfillment of desires. These people have good relationship with mother. She is supportive in all their social and professional activities. Mother also loves socializing. These people can make huge gains in professional dealings with the help of mother or in partnership or in the name of mother. But Moon in 11th house is also responsible for stress and emotional ups and downs to Mother. In adult age, these natives become independent and move out of the shadow of their parents. They are capable of leading an independent life. Moon in 11th house also indicates foreign settlement. Usually, moving to foreign land like some other city, state, or country brings professional growth, success, wealth, and mental peace to them. Moon in 11th house is a strong indication for foreign settlement for these natives because 4th house of their birth chart becomes 6th house in moon chart. In Vedic astrology, for proper understanding and analysis of each house, we have to study Lagna chart and moon chart side by side. This is the birth chart of a native with ascendant Taurus and moon in 11th house. 4th house has sign Leo. We know 4th house of a birth chart is seen for mother, home, homeland, comforts, family life. Now look at the moon rashi chart for the same lagna. We observe 4th house of the lagna chart is the 6th house in moon chart. And in Vedic astrology, 6th house is seen for enemies, obstacles, hurdles, etc. So if moon is placed in 11th house of a birth chart, the 4th house of the native becomes 6th house in moon chart. That is why these natives face a lot of challenges in their life in growing age. Things become so complicated in homeland that they find it almost difficult to grow personally and professionally while living with family at home. They receive positive environment and opportunities only after moving to some foreign land for studies or job purpose. From 11th house, moon aspects 5th house. House seen for education, children, love life, speculative business, sudden gains. Placement of moon in 11th house is good for higher education of the native. Because these natives don't get positive environment or support at home to grow personally and professionally, so they move to foreign land for higher education. 5th house of Lagna chart is also seen for love life, and if you notice, this 5th house of Lagna chart becomes 7th house in moon chart, which is seen for marriage partner. So moon in 11th house helps the native to find his or her love life and also marriage partner after they move to foreign land for study or job. Moon in 11th house blesses the person with beautiful children. Children are the source of joy in their life. Moon in 11th house is also good placement for children. Native has deep emotional attachment with children and spouse. These natives want their spouse to take good care of children and play a positive, constructive role in their upbringing. These natives also want their spouse to actively involve in all the social pursuits of the native. They can also earn profits in speculative business. To enjoy the blessings of a favorable moon, these natives should refrain from being overconfident, egoist, should respect the feelings and views of their spouse, children, and people close to them. If moon is in Swarashi, Mool Trikon, or exalted in 11th house and free from negative influence, person is blessed with good luck, gets success, wealth, and materialistic comforts at an early age. There will be immense gains, fame, recognition in professional and social life in the Mahadasha and Antardasha of moon. If moon is afflicted or debilitated in 11th house, profits and gains are compromised, native lacks mental peace, has no control over thoughts, prone to mood fluctuations, finds it difficult to stick to one task for long. This attitude blocks professional growth and success. Native finds it difficult to maintain good relations with mother, elder siblings, and friends. Afflicted moon is also not good for physical and emotional health of the mother. Happiness in married life of the native is also compromised. It is not good for growth and happiness of children. Relations with children are also not good. Native has many friends, but friend circle lacks stability. If other planets are in favorable position, person will be financially strong, but other people enjoy their money. Since their close relationships are in constant turmoil and they face excessive emotional ups and downs in life, These natives turn to spirituality in later years of life. If 4th house or 11th house of the birth chart is under negative influence, relations between mother and native become very problematic. Also not good for the health of the mother. Both lack mental peace. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe the channel. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 105. Thank you.